Morning at Taupo Lake. Much calmer today, but you can't see the mountains because it's cloudier.
Good morning!
A bouncy good morning to you.
Yes, apologies for the bouncy. We are just leaving the Freedom Camp by the lake in Lake Taupo, which the road is bumpy. Been nice here. It was quite cold last night, but we were alright.
Yeah,
We were stuff.
Wasn't too bad.
So we are heading to Aratiatia Rapids to see them release the dam water, because they do that 3 times a day. We're going to head there for the 10 o'clock one. So then we can head into Taupo, and then we have a cruise on the lake to see the Maori carvings later. Hopefully the weather stays nice for us. And then we're going to drive to the national park. So we've got a big walk plan tomorrow. Yeah. Let's go! To the sunshine! One of the fun things about Taupo is that there's obviously lots of volcanic activities and thermal springs everywhere, so they harness a lot of them for power, so you just see big plumes of steam everywhere coming out the ground. So we come to the Aratiatia Rapids. There's the dam. And then it releases all the way out and comes out for like 20 minutes for like 3 times a day, 10, 12 and 2. So yeah, we're gonna walk and see the lookouts. Yeah, lovely. So this is it before they release any of the water, nice and calm. And you can see that the rock bed is empty over there.
So that actually you can stay here and watch the gates open. That will flood down. Or there's a second one, which I think we're going to go to, which is over there. And there you will see all the water filling and cascading around the rocks. So let's go see what it looks like. So in about 15 minutes this will be filled with water. And we are going to go over there. So yeah, we'll check out from there and look up and see how it looks.
So there's a mid viewpoint and a top viewpoint on the little walk to see it from. All well signposted. So we're going to stay here at the mid viewpoint because you can actually see the gates anyway, and then all the water hopefully coming down. It's not very full at the minute, but it is blue. very rapidly down here.
So they've switched the water off over there. Now everything is draining away. And like, yeah, that rock. You can see it now. How quickly the water is just going down. It's crazy. It's good fun coming. If you are going to come, I'd definitely do what we did and come beforehand so you can see what it looks like and then see it fill. But a few people turned up and for them it would just look like a river. So another thing about this is it's one of the places they filmed some of the barrel scene from The Hobbit. Obviously no one was in the barrels because that would be insane, but they let it go with some barrels in and then just filmed it from there, so you can film it coming from here, going down, all the way. Yeah, good times. So that was pretty cool.
Yeah, surprisingly how full it gets, and then how quickly it drains.
Yeah, because when it starts it feels almost a little anticlimactic because you kind of expect this huge surge, and there is a huge surge, but
you can't see it from that bit.
No. And then suddenly as the pool fills and you start noticing the rocks getting basically lower and lower in the water, you kind of go, oh yeah. And it kind of makes it terrifying how quickly, you know, when water rises, how quickly, because it took about 2 minutes to, if you were stood on the bank, to be gone. But yeah, now we are going to go towards some of the river pool, like rivers, what are they?
It's like spa pools, but they're in the river at the start of the Hookah Valley track, just to have a look more than anything. Don't think we'll be trying to go in the river, it's still not that warm.
Nah. So we'll do that, and then we'll go for another viewpoint, and then actually go into Taupo before we head on our boat cruise. So yeah, definitely come here though. It's like for 3 times a day for just an interesting kind of, you know, power demonstration essentially.
Make sure you come just beforehand though, so you can see how empty it is to start with.
Yeah, it was a little, some people had just like, we're turning up now, and you kind of start there going, it would just look like a river.
Yeah, you just kind of miss
the main interest. But yeah, let's see you at the next spot. So I think Alex has finally started to realise what we're doing tomorrow in terms of their tallness.
I'm scared.
Because that's where we're walking tomorrow.
Mount Doom.
For 8 hours.
Taupo Lake. Mountains in the distance. You can see where it would be normally really nice to swim. It's just too cold now. Taupo town. Everything is very quiet for the fact that it's like 11, 12.
Yeah, I'm just there.
And it's a nice day. Mountains out, people on the lake. You can see how clear it is for swimming. Get it down there. Like further around you can dig your own hot pool.
Så det är kyckling klar för nice views. Learning about carvings that are not old. The best thing about this boat ride so far? Free muffin. Free muffin. I mean, we paid for the muffin.
And the rock art.
No, muffin. Good boat. Good journey. Now we're gonna go to the van and then pick up. We're actually gonna go to Pack and Save, pick up a few bits, and then head over to what we were showing you, so we can then get everything ready to go. Look how clear the water is. It's mad. Yeah. Johnny the van. The beacon waiting for us. So yeah, apparently the coolest McDonald's in the world has a plane. Why does it have a plane? Why does it have a plane? Really? Okay. Yep, this is a McDonald's plane. Because that's something that needs to be. Yeah. Information about the actual plane. And then the cockpit. There you go.
Nice, so we just grabbed a coffee for our journey onwards, but that is us leaving Taupo.
Yeah, we were lucked out with the weather today. It's actually glorious all day.
Yeah, good way to see a town. Because we are driving to Tongariro. So hopefully we shall get some nice views along the way. The mountain is hidden for the minute. But,
Yeah. So basically in this video we'll be walking the main track, which is going to take us about 8 hours.
Yeah, so it's Tongariro Crossing. It's one of the biggest day walks, well, day hikes in New Zealand, and it's coming towards the end of the season for being able to do it as well. So we're hoping that the weather is nice enough to do it tomorrow.
Yeah.
But we're going to the national park now, so we can come there and then we'll get an early park and ride bus from the station.
Very much.
Yeah. So that is the plan, and hopefully we will see the mountain in a second.
3, 2, 1. Not really.
Not really.
It's kind of there.
Oh, it's still behind us. But yes, we will show you any views we get along the way. Yes, there is the mountain. That's where we're headed.
That's what walking around.
Yeah, walking over. Nice road along the river. Yeah. A nice road along the edge of the lake. There we go. The sun is shining. Let's see the volcano poking out the top there.
Mount Rupiah in the distance, which is the tallest mountain in the North Island. And it's gone now because of all the bush in the park. Come back, mountain. Look at the King. Fantastic view of Tongariro over there.
So we're parked up just there, and that's the view. Not bad at all. We're going around that tomorrow. Look who else came out to see us. What a lovely evening. Yeah.
Yeah. We couldn't see anything this time.
No, we're going up there tomorrow. Yeah. But still. Hey.
Hi.
So we have got all our stuff sorted, packed up, ready to go. Cameras closed, breakfast, snacks, lots of snacks. Yeah. But yeah, and then it's only 6:53, but we're in the van all cozy. It is cold. So yeah, so we're gonna do that, and then we're being picked up at 7. Well, 7:15, but we have to be outside, which is literally just outside, for 7. So yeah, we're gonna do that. But yeah, we'll see you in the morning.